Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be cooking these Home Chef meal kits that I got at my Kroger. This was about a month ago when I filmed this. It was when I was in North Carolina visiting my family, and we were going to Wes's grandfather's funeral and memorial, and we stayed with my grandparents and I cooked while we were there and just spent time with them. And these are the meals that I cooked those few days we stayed with them. This was the Greek chicken and it was so good. It was really delicious.
Right here.
Mm-hmm.
Mom, I found it. Look.
Then we also cooked this was the next day, and I'm making the next meal. I'm not sure if I showed the recipe card, but this one is just like steak strips over a cheesy risotto, and it was to die for. I mean, it was just so delicious. And yeah, this one was my favorite one. So I usually get HelloFresh, but my Kroger had Home Chef meal kits, so I decided to give them a try because I hadn't tried any other meal kits, and they were really good. They did not disappoint, so I'll definitely be getting more. Like I said, I did film this a month ago before all the coronavirus stuff was going on, so I don't know when I will get any more of these things, but if and when we can all go back to the store, or we can all go back to getting our shipments regularly, I would highly recommend Home Chef. I really did like the meals, and it was really nice to switch it up. And I just want to say, this is not sponsored or affiliated or anything. I just saw these at my Kroger and picked them up. So yeah, I just wanted to try these, and they're very affordable. They were like between $17 and $19 a meal kit, and that makes enough for about 2 people in each box for this size box. That's good. What do you think? Ooh. Did it gag you? My grandma made Reagan one of her paper dolls that she used to play with as a little girl. This just hooks over her shoulders. Alright guys, we're at my grandma's house in North Carolina and it's snowing! Yes, we're in the trailer park. This is where I grew up. This is my grandma's house. I love it here. This is home to me, but it's looking beautiful. Snowy, beautiful day. Or night. It's been snowing for about 3 hours and I'm hoping the kids get to see snow tomorrow and go play with their cousins. We came here to visit because my husband's grandfather passed away. So we've been doing all of that with the funeral and memorial and all that for him this week. And then it started snowing today and we're gonna hopefully go play with cousins tomorrow. Our kids never see snow in Georgia, so they are so excited. Yeah, so we're hoping it sticks long enough for them to go sledding with all their cousins in the morning. We're going to play in the what's left of the snow. Hey Cyrus.
Get her, Cyrus. Get her.
You up in the air.
I'm gonna make another one for you.
You want me to zip your coat?
No, I don't want it zipped.
Don't want it zipped.
I'm gonna throw this at you.
No! Ah, I don't have any snow clothes on.
I'm gonna make one for you and you throw it at me.
Okay.
Okay. Someone's big guys right here.
Where'd Vin go?
I don't know. Maybe he went inside because he was cold.
Yeah? There's Fritzy, or is it Andy? Hi! Oh no! Well, that one's dead. Oh, your little nose is so red. You cold. You cold, sweet boy. Oh my gosh, look at him. Look at that little baby. Look, you gonna push him? Oh my gosh. Ready? Catch him, Wes.
No, don't need no pills to get high. There's no doubt in my mind. Your loving is all that
You wouldn't do? You wouldn't do? You would try. He's like, I don't know about that. You can try it like that. And
Put the jacket on it.
you want to go up there?
Huh?
You want to go get it?
mountain. I'd clear the sea. For you, I'd do anything, my remedy. You gave me a purpose, now I'm on my feet. I'm
Hey, sweetie.
to the pounding of your heartbeat. Don't care about no gold, no one else hit my phone up. None of that pretentious life. No, don't
Woo, was that fun?
get high. There's no doubt in my mind. Your
All right, ready?
is all that
Oh, you're going. Sort of. Oh. Uh-oh. Oh. Let's do it again, Mommy. Best day ever?
Watch out, Reagan, watch out. It's cold. Oh, it's cold. It's cold.
And for snow day, we were not prepared for it, clearly.
Ooh.
Thank you all so much for watching. Please stay safe during these uncertain times, and please don't forget to wash your hands, and please do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications to be notified each time that I upload a video. And thanks again for watching. I love you, and Jesus loves you too. God bless you.